Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. When you connect a new hard drive, USB drive or partition, Windows automatically assigns a drive letter. This feature is called auto mount. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable auto mounting of drives, disks and volumes in Windows 11 or 10 using DiskPart. This method is useful for advanced users, system administrators and troubleshooting scenarios. So let's get started. First click on the start button and then type here cmd. Then right click on the command prompt entry and select here run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click yes. Now here type DiskPart. Then press enter. Now type auto mount and press enter. This will show auto mounting is enabled or disabled on your PC. To disable auto mount on your Windows PC, type auto mount, then put one space and then disable, then press enter. This will disable auto mounting, and to enable auto mounting, type auto mount a space and then type enable, press enter. This will enable auto mount. And if you want to remove all the previous history of auto mounting, type auto mount, put one space and then type a scrub and then press enter. This will remove all previous mount point settings history from your PC. Finally type exit, press enter. Then you can close this one window. That's all about. Bye.